Hey guys, it's Wild Slime. So I asked a bunch of small slime shops if they wanted to send me a package, and they came through. Today we'll be reviewing them. And just a little disclaimer, I was wearing band-aids for part of the review. I did get into a bike accident, so moving on. So the first shop is Honeybee Slime Shop, and this is Sulkowski's Morpho. It's a really nice bingsu and sugar bead slime. It's packed with beads that give it a really nice crunch, and I love the scent. It smells just like Fruit Loops. The bubble pops and sizzles are amazing. All I would say is that this was a bit hard on my hands and it wasn't the stretchiest, but it's still probably my favorite out of the entire review. These are all the extras and they totally went overboard. Thank you so much for the package, and it was super on brand that they had honey sticks, you know. So the second shop is Tattooed Slime Mama, and that's Waffle Crunchy. She told me that this is her first time making a DIY butter slushie, but I love this slime. It's super satisfying to mix, and it's so soft yet crunchy. The scent was good. It kind of smelled like waffles to me, and this was a little bit tacky, even when I added activator, but that's kind of a given with this texture. This wasn't my favorite texture just because I don't love butter slushies, but you probably will, and I love the concept. The next slime is called Red Clover Boba, and this was a thick and glossy slime. I love the clickiness of the slime, and mixing in the Fimos, I've never seen these before. Even though it was so thick and glossy, the bubble pops weren't really there for me while I was playing with it. I don't know why. Maybe that was just me. But also the scent, I don't know. It was kind of like, I know I just don't love floral scents, but this was just a little odd for me. Even though the scent kind of did throw me off, I loved this slime anyway. These were all the extras. Thank you again, Tattooed Slime Mama. I loved all the extras, and I love how professional and detailed these slimes were. Lastly, we have Pretty in Pink Slimes, and she sent me Blue Hawaiian, which is a really cute jelly slime. This slime is super sizzly and really inflating. As I started to play with it, it got super tacky and a bit rippable and pretty moist. This wasn't the best feeling, but it's somewhat normal with inflating jelly slimes. I also found that after a few days, the slime did shrink a bit. And besides these few things, I really love the package though. It was a really dense and thick jelly slime. This also is a really new shop, so I think it's reasonable that there's some small issues. Thank you so much to Pretty in Pink Slimes for sending this package, and I also want to say, even though these people did send me packages for free, I did give my brutally honest opinion, but don't send any hate or whatever, because this is just my opinion, and you know, this is all just constructive feedback. Anyway, I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.